We look at another example on measurements. In the diagram, the arcs AB and CD. So we have the arcs here, the arc AB and the arc CD. Alright. Are semicircles. Semicircle mean half a circle. Each of radius 14 centimeters. Alright, the radius is 14. Let me just put that in from now. So from the center to here is 14. Same over here. BD, that is from here to here, equals AC. AC is from here to here, which are each 27 centimeters. You have the dimensions here. Take pi to be 22/7. Calculate the perimeter of the figure and the area of the figure. Whoa. Let's see what's going on now. How we're going to deal with that. The perimeter. Suppose you consider this. We want to know the length of this arc. It's a semicircle. So what we can do here is to imagine that we had a full circle. Right? Suppose we had a full circle like that, and we had a radius of 14. The whole circumference would be what? Circumference would be 2 pi 22/7. You must remember it's 2 pi r, you know, and pi r square for the area. 2 pi times radius 14. Don't mix them up. Right? Square means an area. Once you say pi r square, is not circumference we're talking about, is area. 2 pi r, same as pi d, is the circumference. So let's see what happens here now. There's 1 7 means 7 and there are 2 7 means 14, so that's 2. So 22 by 2 is 44. 44 times 2. Good. So it is 28. So this arc is 28 centimeters. So we have this arc here as 28 cm. But then guess what? It's the same thing over here. So the length of this arc is also 28 cm. So to find, remember now, to find the perimeter, if we start from A, going this measurement, then this measurement, then this measurement, then this measurement for the whole perimeter. So starting from A to C, what we have is that we must add AC plus the arc CD plus D to B at distance plus the arc BA from B to A. Alright, so AC is what? 27 plus from C to D going around the arc is 28 plus B, D back to B is 27 plus this arc here is going to be 28. So we add these up. So what we can do here, say 27 and 27 is what? It's 27 by 2. 7 2 is 14, 4 carry 1, 2 2 for 1, 5. So we have these two, right? It's 54. These two together now, the two 28s. So we have 28 by 2, 2 8 16, 6 carry 1, 2 2 4 1 5. So we have these two make 56. So everything All boils down to 54 plus 56. What do you get? 6 and 4, 10. Bring down the 0, carry 1, 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11. 110. Right, so it's 110. So the perimeter is 110 centimeters. You see that? 110 centimeters. Alright. Now, let us get rid of some of these working to make space for the next part of the question. Oh no, erase part of my line. I didn't want to erase the line. So we have this down, this part down. I have this erased. We don't need these 28s anymore. Alright, the area of the figure. Now, that's going to be a bit tricky. Let's see something here. Suppose we imagine that the circle was not cut out and we had a full rectangle. What would be the area of that rectangle? You know, if this is 14, and from the center going up would be 14, and from the center going down is another 14. So the height of the entire thing, the height is 28. 14 and 14. Let me write the 28 over here. We have a little more space over here. It's less crowded over there. Alright, so let's get back the 14 out of the way. Now, we're imagining that we didn't cut the circles out. What we would have is the area of the rectangle. Let me just write the A, B, C, D thing. The area of A, B, C, D would be 27 by 28. 27 by 28. 8, 7, 56, bring down the 6, carry 5, 8, 2, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's 2, 21 here. 2, 7, 14, down the 4, carry 1 here, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. Add them 6, 4, 1, 5, 5 and 2, 7. Alright. So we have 756 centimeters squared for the whole thing. But then what we did was to cut out the circle from here, and we also cut out the circle from here. Well, the semicircle. So we had a semicircle here, right? What we did, we cut out a semicircle over this side, and we cut out this semicircle over this side. You see that? Now, the two semicircles, we could put them together and make one circle. So if we find the area of this circle, we just subtract it from the 756 to get the part left after we remove the whole circle. You see that? So what happened is this: if the radius is 14, then it means the radius of this circle is 14. So the area is pi, is 22 over 7 times r square, radius square, 14 square. Call it 14 by 14. There's 1 7 in 7, and there are 2 7s in 14. So it's 22 by 2 by 14. It comes down to 44 by 14. 44 by 14 for the area of the circle. So it's 4, 4, 16, bring down the 6, carry 1, 4, 4, 16, and 1, 17. 1, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4. Add them up, you get 6. 7 and 4, 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11. 11, bring down 1, carry 1, 415 and 16, so it's 616 centimeter squared, right? So we had 616 centimeters squared. Remember, this is not drawn to scale, but I draw this a bit long. This ideally would look more close to this 27. It should really look more like a square. Now that I realize this side is too long, much too long. So let me just adjust this here, the C, bring the C over here, and the D here. Even though I said it's not drawn to scale, it was certainly drawn way out of scale. This would look a bit closer to it, right? Although it's still out of scale, obviously. But anyway, what we have is 616. Then after that, we're going to find the shaded area that remains, right? So it's 756. This 756 minus this 616. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. 140. So we have 140 centimeters squared left over for the shaded area. Alright, so the perimeter is 110, the shaded area, but the perimeter is 110 centimeter, shaded area 140 centimeter squared.